Hi, I'm Justin with GREE, and I'm here to introduce our mid-tier Clivia product. This is also known in the United States as the ENVO. This is a mid-tier product, very high efficiency. We can get up to 27 CO2. Great heating performance, ultra heating down to -22. Cooling performance as well. We can go low ambient down to -20 degrees Fahrenheit, then all the way up to 122. These are available in high walls in 9K, 12K, 18, and 24. But what makes this product unique versus our current Vario lineup is the addition of the field-installed accessory miniERV. Now what an ERV does, that's going to take air from the outside, brings in that fresh air, and then it exhausts the stale air from the inside of your home. And we also have filters inside of here to filter that air as it comes in, and it also helps regulate some of the humidity. Great entry-tier product, very unique for the market, especially with the addition of the miniERV. So please ask your local GREE distributor about this product, and we'll get you pricing and get you one on the wall. Thank you, and GREE, we're by your side.